So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechERK. In this video we are going to see what is steganography. So steganography is basically a technique to hiding some confidential information or some top secret details behind the images or audio file or any video file or any like other files such as zip file. So this steganographic technique is commonly used among security researchers or someone's like who wants to share some information without getting it exposed publicly, just to keep it a secret, especially in top secret services. So now let us see. Let us just open our command prompt. Just type in cmd. Here I have a folder steganography, and here I have one image.png. So what I will do is I will type the command. Let's just go to that directory, type in cd and copy the path, paste it here. Now just type echo, then our message, and then right angle brackets, and then our image name, image.png. Press enter. Now here if you go to this image looks normally, but if you open it as a notepad, let us say I go to open with notepad. Now here down below you can see there is a secret message. So that's how you can hide an information behind the image, though it is not encrypted, but still you can do that. Similar way you can do one more thing, like if you want, you have one zip file and this image file, and you want to hide this zip file behind this image file. So for that we will type copy /b, then our image.png, then plus, then our zip file, lots of files.zip, then our new file name, new image file name. So that will be secret file.png. Press enter. Here you can see one file is copied. So these both files look similar, both the images are identical, but if you open this it looks similar to the original one. But if you right click on this and then open with any zip file manager like 7-zip file manager or WinRAR, here you can see there are 3 hidden files which were actually in this lots of files.zip. So that's how you can hide zip file also behind the image file. Now let us see one tool which will help us to encrypt the data that we are hiding. Let's go to our Kali. Here just go to the browser and type in img hide. So this tool is basically developed by Teja156. Just click on this. Here you can see 4 files and the instructions to use this Python script. So now let's just quickly clone this, copy this link, open the terminal, go to desktop, just type git clone, paste the link and enter. Now we can see our project is cloned, img hide. Go inside this cd img hide. Now let's check. We have 4 files. Just give the permission, sudo permission to this img hide.py. But before that, we have some instructions for the installation. Copy this command pip install -r requirements.txt. It will install all the packages that are required. So here paste that. So in my case it was already installed, but in your case it will install. And if you have any issue while installing this, you can just type in apt-get update to update your system. Now what I will do is I will type python 3 then img hide.py. Here you can see we have 2 options, encode and decode. So I want to encode my message. I will select one, image path. So if we check the code that we cloned that have one image, we are going to use that only. If you want, you can use any other image. So we have this sample.jpg. Here give the path of that image file. In my case it will be sample.jpg. Message to be hidden. And then enter. Then here we can type the password which we want. So I will type the password and enter. Here if I open the file, in desktop you can see this was the original image sample.jpg. Image encoded and saved as sample-enc.png. Here you can see our image is created. This is similar to the original image, but it have a hidden text. Now in this case, if you open this with notepad, you will not be able to see any hidden text. But what we will do is we will decode this. So if you want to send this image to someone, you can encode this through this tool, and then that person can decode this using similar tool, but he need to provide the password that we use to encrypt this image file with the hidden text. So now we will basically run again, and this time we are going to decode it. We will choose 2. Here you can see the image is very similar to the original one, but one thing you can observe is if you go to properties, the image size is 15 MB because it have hidden text as well. But if you check this original image, it is just of 1.8 MB. Now decode this image path sample-enc.png. Enter the password. This is the password we used while encoding. Here you can see our hidden text, subscribe to TechieRK. So that's how you can encode the text and hide it in the image, and then if you want to send it to someone, you can simply send, but you need to provide that password to that person so that he can decode that. So in this case it will be totally safe, encrypted, secret data transfer. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.